This is what $34 a night can get you in Amed, which is on the eastern side of Bali and definitely known for their scuba and snorkeling spots. So this is like our little private entrance. And this is, so we're staying at Blue Earth. And this is actually our second time of staying here. We loved it so much that we came back for round 2. So this is our little outdoor space. You have a hammock, a little bamboo bed / chair, and a table. And then our room opens up into this. So you've got a queen size bed. And look at all these. Oh my gosh, this is so freaking cool. These are all like made out of wood. These, what do I call those? Shelves, I guess? Or, I guess kind of desks. There's another one there. This comes with a ceiling fan as well as air con. So you got a little trunk here. This tiny little window. It's almost like a Hobbit's window. You got a mirror in the corner. And then this is our closet. And again, has air con. And then this is the other, I don't know if you want to call it a nightstand or shelves. But again, it's made out of wood. Just, oh, this is just so freaking cool. Okay, so now for our bathroom. Again, outdoor bathrooms in Bali are like one of my favorite freaking things about this place, among other things. But you have your toilet, and yes, that's almost, not a true squatty potty, but pretty darn close, with the sprayer. And look at all this stuff. Oh my gosh. Like all outdoors. This is so freaking cool. Look at this, look at this. Alright, so we have our sink and mirror, our soap, shampoo. Look at this is our freaking shower out of a bamboo bowl. Like seriously, guys, this is luxury. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Then yeah, so when you're showering or doing your business, this is your view. All right, and then go out here, and then let me show you. Don't worry, there's more to our room. So we're back outside. And oh, by the way, you get 2 welcome drinks here. It's like, I don't know exactly what it is. I know it's made from dragon fruit. Tastes very, very healthy. Okay, so now, don't worry. There's an upstairs at this place. Watch. So, half of this is all ours. So that right there is the shade that you can drop between the two. So this like unit, I guess, is split into 2. So this is private to just us and the other room. Look at this. So this is called the terrace room. If I didn't mention that already, this is the terrace room. $34 a night. And then you get, look at this, an entire shared upstairs balcony. Okay. Not sure what happened there. Anyways, yeah, surrounded all by nature. You get this shared massive freaking upstairs balcony. Okay, now let me show you the rest of the property, because this place is huge with so many amenities. Okay, so here you have a lap pool. A lot of people use it. You can get certified too for diving here, but I use this in the morning to get a swim workout in. And then you have this gym with all this equipment, tons and tons of equipment here. And then up here you have a yoga studio. Down here you have a pool. There's so many different places here. Now this spot I used a lot. It is their co-working space. So first of all, look at these freaking views while you are working. But also, look how comfortable these chairs are. Plenty of outlets. These tables over here. You also have this option for a workspace. Now you can't see it because, well, kind of, because clouds, but that's Mount Agung, which is actually the volcano here. It's clearly covered in clouds today, but and this co-working space is actually open to the public as well. So even if you're not staying here, you can come here, work as long as you buy something. And then down here you have bags. So that's open to the public. You've got this hangout area. You have this hangout area. Again, so many different amenities and options, and like this view. Okay, so what I forgot to mention is that upstairs area that I just showed you, part of their restaurant, on Monday nights they host a board game night. So whether you are staying at Blue Earth Village or not, you can come there and play board games, which I love that. I love board game nights. Like, oh, I just love games. So I think that's really, really cool. So again, that was $34 in Amed at Blue Earth Village. Our rate did not include breakfast, but that's one. We have two spots we like to go or stay at when we take these little mini vacations to Amed, and that's one of them. I mean, look at all those amenities. The swim, the lap pool, well, I guess you'll call it a plunge pool. It's smaller. The yoga, the gym, the co-working space. So even when when we don't stay at Blue Earth, we stay at our other Amed place. I definitely come to Blue Earth to use their co-working space because, I mean, did you see those views? You're never gonna get that anywhere else. Oh, love, love, love. So, as always, like the video, subscribe for more unique travel adventures. Leave me a comment. What did you think of this place? Oh, I forgot to mention, one of the reasons, among many, that I love this place is that, one, they built around nature when they developed this property, and two, they use as many natural resources as possible. So, like, majority of things here are made out of bamboo, and it's just, I don't know, it just feels very, very Balinese to me. I don't know. I love it. What did you think of it? Let's see. Yeah, the next video will be right here in 3, 2, 1.